Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping well by the grace of Almighty God. Children, today we shall start with the next chapter, number 17, Be Safe. In this chapter, we will study about safety habits. It is important that we remain safe always. We can be safe if we take care and follow some safety rules. We must take care of ourselves so that we do not get hurt. We often get hurt when we are not careful. So, children, please watch the video very carefully to understand the explanation of the chapter. Children, playing is healthy, but you must not to do some things while playing. Do not play with matches. Do not try to light a fire or firecrackers on your own. You can get a bad burn. Hot things like irons and heaters can also burn. Do not touch them. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, pins, nails, and so on. They can hurt you. Do not lean over railings or out of a window. You may fall. Do not throw things out of a window. You may hurt someone. Do not run behind fallen kites. You may get hurt. Do not take medicines or give them to a friend. Wrong medicines can make us ill. Children, do not try to do the tricks Superman, Spider Man, or other heroes do on TV. You can get badly hurt. Do not try to reach a high shelf by climbing on a stool or chair. You may fall. You may also fall while trying to climb a fence or gate. Children, I know that you all love to play, but always remember that play in a safe place like a park or a playground. While playing, make sure that you are not near a road. You may get hurt if you play near roads. Also, do not play in the dark. You may get hurt because we cannot see well in the dark. Do not push others while getting on a bus. Never try to get on to or get down from a moving bus. Never lean out of the window of a car or bus. Do not stick your arm or head out of the window. You may get hurt. Children, it is fun to find out how things work, but you must not do some things. Do not stick your hand into a cooler or table fan. You can get hurt. Do not stick your finger into a plug point or touch an immersion rod. You may get a shock. Children, there are some safety rules which we all must follow when we are on the road. Traffic. What does traffic means? It means all the cars, buses, trucks, bikes, and so on moving on a road. Big roads have traffic lights. We must obey the traffic lights with colors red, yellow, and green. When the light is red, the traffic stops. When it is yellow, the traffic slows down or waits. When it is green, the traffic moves. Wait for the traffic to stop before crossing. Use zebra crossing to cross roads. A zebra crossing is marked with white stripes. Always be careful while walking on the road. Always walk on the footpath. So, children, here I conclude chapter 17, Be Safe. Always remember that carelessness can cause accidents like burns, cuts, or very serious injuries. But a little care can keep all of us safe. So do take care of yourselves. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you all. Thank you.